Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back po sa channel ko, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. I'm not a chef, but I love to cook and my passion is cooking. So I want to share with you guys my recipes in my cooking. Good afternoon or good evening wherever you are. Of course, welcome back po sa channel ko, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. So for today, another chicken recipe ang i-share ko sa inyo, and very simple and easy to prepare, and ito ay ang Parmesan Chicken Wings. So sa mga mahilig po sa chicken wings, this will serve as alternate to your usual fried chicken wings or buffalo chicken wings. Parmesan chicken wings. Pero, hindi ko po siya ipe-fry, kundi i-bake natin para less oil and tipid oil na rin po. Kaya naman, kung gusto niyo pong matry ang version ko with this recipe, stay with me until the end of this video. Okay? So, please watch this. So, ito po yung mga ingredients natin sa ating Parmesan chicken wings. Half kilo chicken wings. Then, ang ating mga spices, of course, grated garlic. Meron akong breading mix, 1 tablespoon. And then, of course, brown sugar. Option lang to. Gusto ko lang may malasang matamis. And then, of course, salt, pepper, and the cayenne pepper. Okay? So, kung may mga spices pa kayong pwedeng idagdag, better, guys. And then, of course, the melted butter. And of course, our Parmesan cheese. So, maraming brand ng Parmesan. So, you can buy in the supermarket. So, ako ito lang yung meron at home. Kaya ito yung gagamitin ko. Okay? So, sa ating bowl, mix all the ingredients. Butter. And then, ang ating mga spices. Then, of course, the egg. Ayan, fresh. So, mix. Okay, and then let's add our chicken wings. So, very simple lang tong i-prepare. And this video is best for beginners na gustong i-try ang ating recipe. Ayan. So, hindi ko po ipa-fry ang ating chicken, kundi i-bake ko siya. So, kung wala po kayong oven, of course, you can fry it. And then, tikman nyo na lang kung kulang pa sa alat. Mas maganda ang kulang kaysa sobra. And then, of course, ang last to put ay ang ating Parmesan cheese. Okay, so be generous sa ating Parmesan. Damihan nyo na lang para mas cheesy. Then of course, mix well ulit. Ayan. So, preheat your oven and let's bake our wings for about 45 to 60 minutes to 1 hour sa 200 degrees Celsius. It depends on your oven na ginagamit. Okay? Okay, so let's put ang ating chicken sa ating baking tray. So, maganda rin guys na i-marinate nyo ang chicken for 30 minutes to 1 hour para din mas lumasa. Okay? While waiting din sa oven na preheat natin. Ayan. Okay guys, so let's bake for an hour. See you. So ito na siya guys, after 1 hour. Okay na ang ating chicken. So let's put sa ating plate. And and serve, okay? And meron din akong hiniwang pipino dito, okay? Init-init pa. Let's add more. I love cheese. And of course, our fresh basil leaves, chopped basil leaves. So all done guys, ang ating Parmesan Chicken Wings. Okay, so it's eating time. Sana po nagustuhan nyo ang ating Parmesan Chicken Wings. And alam nyo, napaka-tender ng chicken. Ma-differentiate mo talaga ang fried chicken wings sa baked chicken wings. So, try it now. And alam nyo guys, isang way pa ng paggawa ng Parmesan chicken wings, if you want the sauce, is to put after you bake the chicken wings. Okay? So, thank you guys for watching. And sana po sa mga hindi pa po nagsusubscribe, please to subscribe to my YouTube channel and please continue to support my upcoming videos. Salamat po and I love you all. Bye for now. Take care and God bless.